Section 12. How to properly use digital multimeters. Power cord, current, quickly lock faults.
The first faulty main board.
Power on. The leakage is 3.5 amps at full load of the power supply. The voltage is pulled down to 1.7 volts. The second failure. After power on, the voltage is pulled down to 2.3 volts. The limit current of the power supply is 3.5 amps.
Third block fault current.
Buckle it up for the first time. The leakage current is 1.3 amps. As the temperature rises, the current slowly decreases. A malfunction like this. We can all lock faults through quick measurement of the universal meter. The first is our red pen to GND black pen measurement. Measurement PP BAT VCC. Resistance is 308 normal. PP VDD main resistance is 309 is normal. PP BAT VCC and PP VDD main, there is no short circuit. That's how much current it has. It's very simple. At this time, you need to measure the black pen to the GND and the red pen PP VDD main. It measured 185, so the phone problem is BL anode short circuit. When the red pen measures the GND and the black pen PP VDD main resistance more than 300, the resistance value of the black pen to the GND and the red pen is more than 100 when measuring. iPhone, Android, notebook, power on high current. All can pass the characteristics of the universal watch. Simple measurement can quickly lock this fault. Positive short circuit for lamp control output. Let's test the second main board. The same, normal measurement is the red pen to the GND. Black pen measurement PP BAT VCC 306. PP VDD main 307 normal. Then change the universal watch pen black pen to ground red pen measurement. Measured PP VDD main got a total of 670. Normally it should be over 1000 at this time. How about this one with more than 600? Fault is also lock. PP SPK V boost capacitor has a large current caused by a short circuit. These are quick lock faults that can be measured with a universal meter. 8 or 9 years ago, when I was live streaming the actual battle, I do it all with a simple 2 or 3 measurements. Just start repairing, solve the fault directly. Many people are incredible, but whether it is a universal watch,
air gun, forceps, sheath knife.
we all need to understand these tools first. Then apply it reasonably. Then we are repairing. We'll make great progress. So let's look at thermal imaging. The first one. Power on. It's obvious. 3.5 amps, 1.77 volts. After power on, it was found that it was BL anode capacitor short circuit. But it has many hotspots. There is inductance diode and capacitors. What about something like this? We just need to remove the capacitor. The inductor and diode themselves will not be damaged. Okay, look at the second piece. After the second block is powered on, we found that the current is also 3.5 amps. PP SPK V boost capacitor is short circuit, caused by high current. Look at the third piece. Power on. Caused by VDD boost short circuit. Fever. This time it's VDD boost chip. 2 inductors heat up at the same time, but the 2 of them won't break, caused by a short circuit in his load. The moment of power on is above 1.5 amp. As the temperature rises, its current decreases, then PP VDD boost short circuit is VDD boost. The short circuit characteristics is like this. As we cool down the main board, its leakage current will increase above 1A as the temperature rises.
PPVD boost inductance. VD boost inductor chip will take limited viewership of, so as long as the temperature is low.
It's high current, so when we quickly lock the phone leak edge.
When a high current is short-circuited, leveraging these very small skills to quickly lock Android audio part universal, general purpose for lighting control part. But PPVD boost Android and Apple are completely incompatible.
Let's take a look at PPDD main during normal measurement, the off the universal meter and the off the universal meter. Our measured resistance is over 1000. As long as there is damage on the capacitor of the positive electrode, then this place will also become GND. Then when measuring the formation of red pen and black pen, then the middle went from more than 1000 to more than 100. When we black pen against GND, when the red pen measures more than 100 resistance values, we can be 100% sure it is caused by the damage of this capacitor. No matter what maintenance we are in, as long as we can use the tools properly, can bring us great gains. The same is true of audio. So our measurement method, it's not just on the phone. MacBook, iPad, cell phone, including Android, Apple, and any pad
with audio.
Any electronic product with light control, all are universal. This measurement mode. Okay, we'll see you here for this class.